morning students. In this session we are going to discuss chapter number 3 standard aid, which is Indian Constitution. Okay. So first question came into your mind that what is constitution, why do we need a constitution, and what if there is a no constitution. So we will see one by one. First definition of constitution is that a compilation of set of rule to govern the country is called a constitution. A compilation of set of rule to govern the country or administrating the country is called the constitution. Constitution can be in a written or unwritten form. India's constitution is in written form, or world's largest constitution which is in the written form, it is our India's constitution. Okay. Or Indian constitution is starting with the preamble. Preamble means one type of, you can say, a index. In book there is given an index, so we can get the idea where is the chapter number and what was the page number of this chapter. So preamble is like a index. Okay. Next, how this constitution formed. Okay. So one constitutional assembly was formed for making constitution. This constitutional assembly has mainly four targets. First one is a republic, second one is a democracy, third one is a unity, and fourth one is a integrity. Okay. For this basis, the scholar of the Constitutional Assembly was made the constitution. First one is a republic, second one is a democracy, third one is a unity, and fourth is a integrity. The head or chairman of this Constitutional Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Other scholars included in this Constitutional Assembly was Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Dr. Abul Kalam Azad, and other many scholars included in this Constitutional Assembly. There was one Anglo-Indian representation and one Parsi community representation also. Dr. Frank Anthony represent Anglo-Indian community and H.P. Modi represent the Parsi community. Okay. Apart from this, two ladies, first is Sarojini Naidu and second is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. First is Sarojini Naidu and second one is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, was also a part or a member of this Constitutional Assembly. Total 2 years, 11 months and 16 days and 166 meeting was held. 166 meeting was held in a 2 year, 11 month and 16 days to complete this constitution. Okay. And then we made a constitution in 26 November 1949. Our scholar made a constitution on the date 26 November 1949. But we adopted the constitution on 26 January 1950. Okay. So this is the big question. We made already constitution on 26 November 1949. So why we enforced the constitution on 26 January 1950? Because in 26 January 1930 our freedom struggler passed one freedom movement, full freedom movement, and they were decided that we celebrate this day, 26th January, this day as a Independence Day. We celebrate every year this day as a Independence Day. But we all know that we got independence on a 15 August 1947. So this day's diminish has not come. So we adopted our constitution or enforced our constitution on 26 January 1950, or we all know that this is also known as a Republic Day. Okay. Apart from this